Yes, Rosie's right. I have a million questions. So I heard you say caffeine and alcohol. Those are two things I really enjoy in my life. I love my coffee in the morning. I have my shot of espresso in the morning, maybe two, maybe three sometimes. And then in the evening, I love my glass of red wine. And so excess of any molecule will create resistance to itself. So how do we know we're in excess? And I don't know if maybe it wasn't just caffeine and alcohol, maybe there were other indications or other things you were consuming on a daily basis in excess. I would love to hear what those were. But were there any sort of little warning bells looking back early on that you wish you would have paid attention to?
Yeah. So I use alcohol and caffeine just because they're so prevalent and normalized in our society, really. And we know by dint of our own experience with those chemicals that we create a tolerance to them. It's like if you are off coffee for 3 months and then you go and get a venti, you're like buzzed out of your mind because your tolerance for that particular chemical, the way that it essentially blocks the adenosine receptors around your cells, is so potent that basically you just get this frantic, frenzied energy. But if you're having 4 or 5 cups of coffee per day, that first cup or second cup is not going to have the same impact.